Hello everyone. In this video, I will show for all of you guys about how to scan on the follower of any Instagram account uh, with our Insta software. You don't need to know how to coding. Don't need to add the setup to scanning any data. So you only need to for the first one, you only need to copy this Instagram link you want to scan and go to the equity Insta. Uh, so with the Insta software, you can choose by scan by user limit here. Just put the link into here, save it, and uh, to the function any to to the function, and in here just make a setting like you can push any number you want. So after that, you only choose on the account you want to scan. And when everything setup was done, you just to start now. As you can see on the screen, this software can automatically log in into your Instagram account and auto come to the Instagram link you just put into it, as automatically scan on the follower of any Insta you want. As you can see here is the older people are just scanning. So after everything was done, you can see here all information of the Instagram just scan onto this. So the best thing is you can also import all the data into the Excel file and save, and you can save it into your computer like this. So here here is the only information of Instagram account. You can see here with the link and the name in here. So with the function, with this software, you can also scan data, or you can do the other thing like posting, auto like auto comment for your account. You can also scan very uh, very much other function to working. So if you want to using this software, contact me in the bio, or get the and go to the link on the of our website on my comment right now, so you can try to can tell me how to using it, so I can guide for all of you guys how to using our software. So thank you everyone for watching. See you in the next video.